Hi, hello everyone. This is Selvendran working as an assistant professor senior grade in science department in our FTP program for the ICT tool assignment. I have been allocated in group 8 for online whiteboard and collaborative drawing up. For that, I prefer that app or uh, AWW app, right? For easy understanding, I'm telling that AWW app, right? So, or otherwise we can call it app, right? So here it is, you are seeing that actual page of that WWAWW app. So here I one by one explain it that what are the functions are available in it, right? So here it is. First one is select options to select this particular letter or diagram. You can select it and delete and you can add something, right? So just a select option. Second one is undo function. Third one is you can prefer the different color for your diagram or as well as for the letters, right? So you can prefer the different colors. And this one is pin, marker, and arrow marks. These two are arrow marks. And then last one is just line, right? Line. And these pin, letter size as well as marker size and then arrow mark size are you can adjust with the use of this option, right? And then this one is eraser. So here it is also eraser is delete or cut, different options are there, and also you can use it with the different sizes, right? And then this one is you can for the block diagram you can empty rectangle and filled rectangle, right? So two options the same manner, empty circle and filled circle. Overall four options are there. Here it is, this the outline of this rectangle and circle you can change with the use of right size of that outline, right? You can change with the use of these options also. For example, here I'm telling that so this one is normal. So if I'm changing the size of this, it will change the outline of that uh, rectangle, right? So by we can make it a circuit diagram along with that our arrow lines, right? Here we have arrow lines also and pin to denote that particular matter in that diagram, right? With the use of it you can make the diagram also. For the example I'm here drawing that one, how modulating signal and modulated signal carrier signal, how you can draw here, right? I just for sample I'm drawn here. um, and then see, I just want to erase it, right? So this is element, right? So particular element will erase it. So this is particular area you can select and erase it. So this one is also say, scissors, right? So see, this is a to delete it, for example, and I drawn this, right? So here it is, scissor will size, right? So by selecting that particular area, it will cut these particular portions, right? So instead of that, so if I click this element, it automatically the whole element will delete, right? So this one is also normal eraser function, right? Then later, text. So once you select this text in the sense, then you can click on that your workspace in that whiteboard. Then only it will open up that text. So there you can type any type of letter, and then with the change that size is also there, right? So we can change the particular size, what are the size you needed, right? And then this one is like a note, right? So if I want to mention that modulating signal, what are the signals are there? Some low frequency information, right? So here it is also, I change the size of it. um Size is this one. I can give you the some notes in it, right? So okay, like I can give you some note in that each one section. Then this one is uh, you know to incorporate the PPT or PDF or your images. For example, I can I just image. See, this is one image, right? I'm drawing it, and then I can discuss about this one information. And some cases you can place these images. For example, a small sinusoidal waveform only I just want to place it here in the sense that situation I can place the upload that sinusoidal image, and then I can place it here. For example, here I place it. So which means that the sinusoidal information with low frequency, it will appear in that modulating signal place, right? Right. So like I can place that different images in different location of that in my block diagram. Um, as well as I can upload that my PPT also. So PPT, see PPT also here, PPT ICT tools, right? So ITT ICT tools, right? So here you can annotate with what are the things you can use it here. So for example, I take the pen and I can write it here. I can write it, right? So here in this location, in case if I want to mention something, so you need to have a writing pad. So this is the way also you can upload that PDF, PPT, and then your images, right? And then this one is like pages, right? It is a multi-layer function. So first layer, second layer, third layer, I can do it like a PPT. Here you can see this one, the second layer, it is a first layer, right? So this is the third layers. So I can make it like a PPT, 3 slide, 4 slides, right? So I can make it, and also I can, with the use of it, export as a PDF or image. I can export it, and as well as also with the different qualities, right? High quality or regular quality or super high quality, and also in which I can make it that in case if I want to duplicate, in the sense a second slide, I can make it duplicate as a third, to the third slide also. And then I can save as a board information, right? I can save this board and then create a new board. And also here it is another one important thing, manage the participants, right? So here it is, you can invite the new users to view your work, your presentation, or it is the discussion, in the sense to take the control of that your workspace also, you can share it, right? So control, you can take it. um, Control you can provide to that users also, right? Allow everyone to edit, allow everyone to view, and just sharing that copy of this one. So three options are there. So you can copy and paste it in that any social media, which one you want to share, right? From which one you want to share. And then this one is also inviting function, the same one. And then here it is like a chat box, so you can parallelly chat with that your friends or students. And then uh, right, this arrow, I'm giving a pointer control to that my invitees, right? They can take the control and they can draw it in this workspace. uh, it is a full images, full screen image. And this it is a zoom in, zoom out options. That's all about this, I think. This are thank you, thank you.